I guess I'll do another unboxing of the DJI Osmo Pocket. Looks like FedEx will have it here shortly. Probably, I'd say, hopefully 5 minutes, and I'll have to set it up, and I think there's new firmware to improve the autofocus and the audio. To install the firmware. Then maybe later on this afternoon I'll be able to do some videos with it, see how it works. There he goes. That sure is a small box. That's why they call it Pocket. Oh, mercy. Got this in a day early. Actually, I called them. It was in the delivery center this morning. It wasn't supposed to be delivered until Monday. And I saw it came in, and I called them, and they said no, I couldn't pick it up until Monday. And then about 5 minutes later, I get a text saying it'll be delivered today. So 3 days early. Here we go. That is it. Yeah, they had this sucker glued on there. Underneath it, there's the warranty information and the shield, which is a warranty program that I think it costs $29 a year if you want an extended replacement warranty. And this is it. The carry case. And not much to it. Okay, I guess I better charge it up and update firmware and do some sample pictures. Okay, look how big that sucker is. And inside that little pocket thing with some books, of course, quick start guide, and then the warranty guidelines and all that stuff. And then there's adapters for your phone and a USB cord, and that's it. So let me stick it on a charger, update firmware, and we will start playing with the Pocket. And you're supposed to turn my phone on, and this sucker on. It's supposed to launch. Okay, I had to take my case off to get this thing to plug in, which is kind of a pain in the butt. Alright, I'll agree to that. Walk outside, it's raining on us. Hopefully my voice is sounding okay here. These people don't even know what I'm doing here filming them. But they don't know what I'm doing. Holding this little thing in my hand, and pretty discreet. This is going to be a trick for going in places. I don't really want to get my selfie mode because I am not much to film. The old fart. Okay, we will do a real quick video. Hopefully this is recording okay. Walk out in the rain? I don't think so. It is raining. See the water in the pool? Well, maybe I can walk down here real quick and just get a little wet. See if this Osmo is waterproof, which I don't think it is. Train off in the distance. But let's see how smooth this video is up and down the steps. steps always. Let's see up down these steps. Man, the noise. Alright, this is just the second time really I've recorded anything with this. I'm going to drop it in the water. It's not a GoPro, it's waterproof. Alright, do a little. See if that's shaky walking up the steps. Okay. Okay, my wipers are making a noise, but I just came up to this red light, turned the Osmo on. It says 5 seconds. It seems faster than that to me. But sample video driving down the road in the car, and see how this turns out. Man, the traffic. Pretty easy to use. Santa Claus. Yeah, the master cook here. Pre-cooked chicken, all kind of shrimp there. Be ready soon, eh?
I did the pre-cooked chicken just so we wouldn't be sitting here for an hour and a half waiting for it.